is time. It's time for the White Round. Good morning. About three calls. My friend, Robert Shane, stock said bye. So just put another call star question. My staff producer some cramps to the white plants on. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. I'm going to start with Rafi in Florida. Rafi.
Hey, this is Rafi's dad. Here's Rafi.
Okay, let's hear it.
Good evening, the great Jim. I'm thinking about buying Hood for a long-term forward to add to my portfolio. It's close to an all-time high. What do you think?
Kid's got horse sense. I say put half on and then wait for 10% decline. I like his attitude. Let's go to Drew in Ohio. Drew.
Hey, Jim, how you doing? Big booyah for Drew and Jody in Ohio.
Wow, what a booyah.
Hey,
I like it.
Yes, I want to talk about Louisiana Pacific. The last 3 quarters, they beat their earnings. However, the ROA, the ROE, and the gross margin has kind of been down the last few quarters. The balance sheet is a plus. Their February 25th earnings is questionable with the new Trump administration and the home builders. I just want to know your thoughts on that.
Well, I got to tell you, you're going to have a huge rebuild in the Southland in California. The numbers for housing are okay, not great. It's been a horse. It's been a great stock. I say you have to stick with it. Let's go to Susan in Massachusetts. Susan.
Hi, Jim.
Hi,
thank
Susan.
you for taking my call. And thank you for making me and my husband happy and financially secure retirees.
Wow, if I've done that, I did good. Thank you.
You sure did. So now, given the new Department of Government Efficiency and easterly government properties dependence on government leases, can you please give me your opinion on the prospects of DEA?
It's very tough to tell what they really own and what they do, and I've got to tell you that makes me very, very shy about it. I have to say. Don't buy. How about we go to Squirrel in Maryland? Squirrel.
Hello, Mr. Cramer. How are you doing today, sir?
I am doing well. What are you up to?
Yes, just trying to stack up some nuts for the winter and wondering how do you feel about SEE, sir?
I've always liked that company. I do think that, no, I like it. I'm just going to tell you that I think it's a good stock to own here, especially because it's way down from where it used to be. Let's go to Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Jim, real quick, I just wanted to say how phenomenal you and your staff are. Thank you so much
Staff's amazing. Just amazing. What's going on?
The club, I'm enjoying the club a lot. I have an equity here that missed in the second quarter, but came back in the third to beat. And I wanted your opinion on IDEX Labs, sir.
No, too inconsistent. I've got to tell you, if Chewy were to come down, that is the one I'd like it to be in. Chewy. Let's go to Chad in Wisconsin. Chad.
Hey, Jim, I'm feeling pretty pumped up. Long-time listener, first-time caller on the lightning round, man. I got to tell you that.
Fantastic.
Yeah. Hey, there's a CEO of this company that's saying there's very sizable tailwinds in the AI for this company. And, I got to say, I'm looking back on these earnings calls, and, they're not massive beats, but they are definitely beats. And this stock has gotten dramatically beaten up. I had to call and talk to one of the best in the game to get his opinion on this. And this stock is ticker ADBE, Adobe.
Adobe. Okay, now, I think Adobe has come so far down that it's just, I think I'm going to call it a buy. I may look back. I may be criticized. People may think, what the hell is he talking about? But Adobe, I no longer want. I want to own some Adobe. Be tempted, so tempted at my Thursday meeting, the monthly meeting, but got to talk to Jeff. Let's go to Tyson in North Carolina. Tyson.
Hey, Jim, how's it going?
Good. How about you, Ty?
I'm doing great, Jim.
Okay. That sounds good.
All right. Good, Jim. I was wondering about the chemical uranium stock, CCJ. Have you heard of that?
Well, if you're going to own CCJ, if you're going to own a uranium stock, that is the one to own. I don't want to. I see no rebirth of. Look, if you have to open a 3 Mile Island, it's obvious that these things can't be built in any time soon. So I don't think it's a growth business. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, the Supreme Court has spoken, and TikTok's time may be up. Stop scrolling because Cramer's giving his take. Next. Monday, kick off the trading day with Squawk on the Street. Live from Post 9 at the NYSE.
Harassed tech endlessly. And the way that this administration did things was to sue and then talk.
Right.
And it was always through lawyers, and that's not how that will never be Trump. Never.
It all starts at 9 a.m. Eastern. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.